everybody, Steve here again, and here to go into Itslearning if you're interested in setting up categories for grading that match the categories for Durango High School. That way the grades that are showing up on Itslearning are the actual grades that the student has. So if you're interested in doing that, hopefully it'll take about 5 minutes to be able to get that tutorial, and then you can be on your way. So first of all, again, to be able to get to Itslearning, you just go into that app menu towards the bottom. It should say Itslearning. I'm going to be doing this in my World History course, which is the one that I have multiple sections of, and I'm working on right now, so that's why I chose that one. I'm going to need to do it for my government too, so you need to do it for each course that you're going to be teaching. So over here on More, you're going to go down to Settings. So More, Settings, and then you're going to go do Assessment Settings, defining your assessment scale. And then you need to go over here to Categories. So you need to click on Categories, and you need to add categories. So we're going to be adding, let's see here, we have 4 categories. So I'm going to click Add 4 times. And then we've got Summative, which is the first one. And then we've got Formative. It shows up first, whatever you put in first. So I think it's important to put in Summative first, just to be able to emphasize to students that, you know, obviously that's the biggest category as far as percentages go. Portrait of Graduate, which is our new PPBE, and then we've got Final Exam. Okay. So we're going to save those. We do need to use weighting for categories, so we need to click on that says use weighting, and then put in your percentages. So we've got 65 for summative, we've got 10 for formative, portrait of a graduate we've got 5, and then final exam is 20. So that should add up to 100. You just hit save. And then when you do go over and we can just double check here. So I'm going to go out and then go back in. So I'm going to go over to Settings, Assessment, Categories, yes. So then when you do create an assignment, so I'm going to go over here to the assignment that I created just to show you guys in my World History Intro unit. And then here is my Getting to Know You, which I just put 1.1. And then I do want to edit this assignment. So I am going to edit. I am going to close that out a couple days after the assignment is due. We're going to do it in class, so I don't see any reason why we're going to keep it around. It's the first day of school, so everybody's going to hypothetically be there. More options. Sometimes you need to click on that. So we are going to make that a 10-point assignment, good way for them to get on the board, and then it selects score on the assessment scale, and then for semester 1 I'm just going to put that as a formative. So that way the assignment will match up with the actual category that it is. Okay, I hope that helped. Go Demons!